Hello, you guys. This is Miss Felicia Inspire here. Today we are going to be doing another review. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the construction of this unit. This is a synthetic wig, and this is how the color is. This is how it looks straight out of the pack. And I think that first impression, it is a nice unit. And this is the stock card here, kind of showing you how the wig is and how it looks front and back. So yes. Okay, so here I am. I'm just sitting here putting the unit on straight out of the pack and just seeing it on. It looks very nice. The cap construction is a little bit tight. I don't know if you have a really big head, it's gonna be a really tight fit. It's fitting pretty snug on my head, and I like how it is laying. Yeah, I like how you can swipe it from left to right on either side, depending on how you want it to look. You'll get a different look. I don't really like how it looked straight down the middle, but yes, I'm always gonna be a platinum blonde fan. So when I saw this color, I was like, oh yeah. So yeah, I'm combing it just to kind of see how I'm going to style it or how I'm going to wear it. My intentions was to put it up in a half up, half down when I got this unit, but I don't think that's going to work because when I saw how the layers laid, I thought it was really nice. Okay, so now I'm going to begin cutting the lace on this unit. You will get soft lace on this unit, and it's not really like you know, really thick or anything like that. Nowadays, when they make the synthetic wigs, they make them really nice. So it's very rare now that if you get a pre-plucked unit or an invisible unit, it's not going to look bad at all. Because honestly, you can really put these units on straight out of the pack, and you may want to do some tinting on this, and I will show later on in the video the lace tint that I like to use when I'm doing these. And when I put this unit on, you guys, it's not a really thin unit at all. Like, it's a good density. It's not thin where you can see tracks showing or anything like that. Besides, like, my only thing was you can see like a little bit of the tracks because you don't really have too much of the lace where they went back. They say it's a 13 by 4, but they don't give you a lot of room for lace or anything like that. So I wasn't really able to do a half up, half down with this because it was just showing too many tracks. So around the ears, you're going to continue cutting the tabs back. Okay, so this is the lace tint that I will be using, and this is made by Kiss Red, and I will link that information for you. So all you are going to do is just spray this a little bit on the lace. You don't have to really spray a lot, and I am using the mocha, and that's the darkest that they have. But I can say that with this lace tint, it helps to adhere better whenever you are laying it down and whenever you're melting the lace down. But like I said, you don't really need much. If you use too much, you're going to start looking brassy. So yeah, I'm going to pop this wig back on and show you guys how it looks after I have tinted it. And I didn't really put too much lace tint on it because if you do like on the platinum blonde areas, it'll start to show through on at the root area. So I didn't really do too much with the lace tint. So now all I'm doing is brushing it back so that I can see how I'm going to begin melting down the lace, okay? To lay down my lace, I will be using Ebin Wonder Lace Adhesive Spray, and I will link that information for this product as well. And all you're going to do is spray it underneath where you're going to be laying your lace down. I do like to start at the top of my head because the ear tabs are a little bit tougher to lay down. And if you have experience with that, you will understand what I'm talking about. But to make your life a little bit easier, go ahead and lay it down from the top first and then work your way towards the ear tabs. Okay, so my honest opinion of this unit, you don't really have too many styling options with this because the color combination that you have, you don't want it to look awkward or weird. So I feel like if you weigh it down, it's gonna look really cute But even if you wear it up in a ponytail or however you're gonna wear it, I don't really think it look as cute as it does if you're laying it down. But I do like the versatility. You can get a different look out of one unit. The color combination that they did is really, really nice. They did an awesome job with the hairline as well. So all you're going to do is continue laying down this unit, spray your ear tabs, and lay them down. When you are using your Ebin Wonderlace adhesive spray, you don't really have to use a whole lot and it doesn't leave behind any residue. I've been using this for my synthetic wigs for a long time now and I love it. So I highly recommend that you use it. So, like I told you in my last video, when you are laying down your ear tabs, it's really, really good if you pull out a section to pull the hair down so that you can lay down the lace. And as you saw just now while I was combing the hair back, you can see some of the tracks showing. And like I said, you don't really have a lot of space that they give you for your lace. So yeah, spray some on the ear tab area and use the hair to pull it so that you can lay it down. It makes it a lot more easier when you do it this way. Because, like I said, you don't really have a lot of room for lace, and if you try to go back too far, you're going to expose your tracks. Okay, so now I am going to be using my band to tie down the lace. And you can get any kind of elastic band or silk band to tie down your lace. All this is going to do is help your lace to adhere better and melt down. And you're going to blow dry it for like 2 or 3 minutes or so. It's not going to take a long time for this. Don't forget that if you like the content that I am showing you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. I would love to hear from you guys. Okay, now I am going to go ahead and begin styling my baby hairs. And you can take your time with this process. I don't have a eyebrow arch to, cut the baby hair, so I will be using my scissors. The difference is when you are doing it with your scissors, your ends are going to be blunt versus if you did them with your eyebrow archer, you wouldn't have to worry at all. Okay, so I've already laid down that side of the lace and I used my Got To Be gel to lay down the baby hairs on this unit. And like I said before, the hairline is really, really nice. Like, it's really nice. They did a good job on it. It's tweezed really, really good. I didn't have to do any extra tweezing, but this is how I cut my lace and my baby hairs. I take my scissors and I cut them. And all you're going to do is just use your gel to comb it down and swoop it whichever way that you want it. And you don't need a lot. And also, whenever you do this, it helps to lay down the lace too. So you won't have to worry about any extra, lifting or anything like that. Now you can lay your baby hairs down with whatever product that you like. But for me, I like to use gel. um, you know, on synthetic wigs, you can't really lay down your baby hairs with foam wrap lotion, but you really have to use something that's gonna hold a lot stronger because this is synthetic hair and the fibers are a lot coarser than human hair. So all you're going to do is part out the sections that you want to lay down your baby hairs and just go ahead and lay them down. And I will make sure that I link all of the information in the box so that you can purchase this unit. And they do have different colors that this unit comes in. But personally, for me, I am a blonde girl, so I love blonde hair. So you can go ahead and try other colors. There is a green color that they have, and I think it's really, really cool. I think I may try it later on. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys here in a minute how I am going to finish this up. And I love the way that the baby hairs look. Like, it looks so natural. Like, the hairline is really, really nice. I didn't really experience any tangles with this hair at all. It did do really, really good as far as tangling. And I love the color blend on this unit. All I did was put that hair behind my ear, kind of push it back a little bit. It looks really, really good. Like, I love it. Yes. So yeah. Here you can see where the tracks are showing just a little bit. It's really, really thin. I think that's my only con about this unit. Like the the lace, they don't have enough lace to give you so that you can really put it up, because it would be really, really cute if you had more versatility. So I am going to show you, I did try to do the half up, half down, but you can see right there how thin the hair is. So this isn't going to work, but I just wanted to show you guys really, really quickly, how it will look if you were to try and pull it up, and just so you can see for yourself how thin and how much little lace that they give you. But like I said, it would be cute if you could though. I mean, this is how it looks, but like I said, it was a no for me. If the wig was had a little bit more space, then it could probably work. But this is how it looks from the back, and in a ponytail. Like I said, the color combination is so nice. It's not really, really silky. It's not too shiny, but you can see it's not enough to cover. But you could try and get by with it, but nah, it's a no. And this is the finished look. All I'm going to do is just, keep it like this. I like the way it's flowing. The layers are very, very gorgeous, and you can see the color is very, very nice as well. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do highly recommend that you purchase this unit. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so that you get all of my notifications first. Yes, girl. Ooh, look at that hairline, baby. It looks so good, you guys. Thank you again for watching this tutorial. And also, make sure that you go and purchase this from my link. Thank you.